friends, I wish you all a very happy new year. My name is Mohna and today I am going to talk about growing strawberries at home. First, I would like to show you my strawberry plants from my small terrace garden and how these plants are currently flowering. I stay in Pune and last month, that is December 2021, the climate here was perfectly cold, which is supportive for starting flowering and fruiting in strawberry plants. If I remember correctly, there are two varieties here, Sweet Charlie and Winter Dawn. I have 6 saplings here and to each sapling I see 5 to 6 flowers in different stages. I had brought these plants from a nursery in Mahabaleshwar in the month of September 2021. You can see 6 plants here. This is the first one. This is the second one. Third one. Fourth one. And in this pot, there are 2 plants. Do you find growing strawberries at home an interesting and fun-filled pursuit? I am making this quick video for you to talk about how I planted these saplings and the care that I have taken to get this result as a first timer in growing strawberries. Now I will quickly talk about important precautions you need to take while potting these plants. After you bring them from nursery, I suggest you to not repot them immediately but wait for few days. Never bury the crown. So this is called as the crown of strawberry plant. This is the part from which leaves, buds, in short, any new growth comes out. We should never bury this crown in the soil. It should be above the soil like this. However, roots should be in the soil and shouldn't be exposed. If you bury the crown in soil, it may start to rot or start to decompose. Now, I will talk about what kind of care I have taken for these plants. Regular watering. After I bought these plants from nursery, till the start of December, I was only watering these plants but regularly and avoided overwatering and underwatering. If the soil felt quite wet on touching, I skipped watering that day. We can do soil test and check if the soil is wet or not. Potassium-rich onion peel fertilizer. A well-known fertilizer among all home gardeners, as the onion peels are rich in potassium and potassium helps plant to produce flowers. I started to give this fertilizer from the start of December, once in a week. The flowering started to the strawberry plants after second week of December, that is only by giving this fertilizer 2 times to the strawberry plant. I continued giving this fertilizer to the strawberry plant once in a week till today. A quick recipe to make onion peel liquid fertilizer. Take handful of onion peels. Wash them 1 to 2 times to remove any dirt on it or any pesticide on it. Then soak them in water for 24 hours. After that, it will turn bit pink or red in color. Filter it and then add to the plant with dilution. Mulching. As soon as some flowers start blooming, It is necessary to add mulching to strawberry plants. It has two uses mainly. First, mulching prevents fungal attack transferring from soil to flowers and fruits. And mulching maintains moisture level and protects ground and soil from the harsh cold of this season. I have added mulching of dried leaves and dried vegetable peels. This thin layer of dried leaves or a dried material is called mulching. As soon as I see some healthy red strawberries to my plants, I will make a new video to share an update about it. You can also try to grow strawberries at your home in this season if the climate is still cold at your place. Please let me know your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Take care and thanks for watching.